Hi everybody, this is Joyce Meyer Junk Journals. I thought it would be fun. I always talk about thrifting, okay? So this is my trunk full. I haven't had time for a little while to bring all this stuff in, and I wanted to clean my craft room up. Hasn't happened yet. But yeah, I had a busy week. Oops, some vintage paper from something I was going to use. This is stuck to this tape, but I've got this for, I don't know how much. There's all these little chipboard pieces. Aren't these cute? They're all different. And, I mean, they're fall, perhaps. There's a lot of leaves, foxes, pumpkins. Okay. So that's what's in here. It's a clearance thing. Anyway, okay, so they all fell out. I'm looking for things that I'm going to use in the Stay Creative Crafting Circle challenge, which is, well, every day we have something different, but today's Thursday. Yesterday we were doing, here's some napkins. We were doing a challenge of Wednesday where we alter an envelope, and I still am behind on that one. Okay, this is for fundraiser. So what I'm going to do is I'm digging. I have a goal here to try to find out. Look at this fun book. Something that's an envelope. Okay, so that's what I'm heading for. Somebody threw away their nice bags. What? I don't know where that is, but I like it. This bag is cute, but we're not doing bags, right? Stay focused. Canna rolls. I've gotten 5 canna rolls for a couple dollars. $2. There's one of the boxes right there. And today I got another one. Those were from another day. Oh, these cute. Maybe that could go in the envelope. Not sure. Digging, trying to find something. Look at this I found in my, I was cleaning out, this is my car here, guys. This has been in the garage, and I started doing some digging through my gardening items that were in here and pulling out pieces for my glue books, you know, from the old gardening things and seed packets. And I cleaned that out, and I thought, oh, maybe I can sit my phone up there and videotape. No, but look at this stencil I found. It's gonna be polka dot. Is that cool? That was $2. Oh, okay, looking for an envelope. That's cute. My friends that like purple will need some of that. And anything that you see, if you're crafty in this Stay Creative Crafting Circle or otherwise, please let me know, and I'll send you some of whatever you see in here, because you know, that's the kind of stuff. Ooh, what's in this bag? Let's just do it this way. Easier than taking all the time. Okay, now we got some, yeah, I need this for journal making. I just buy things for next year, whatever. It'll be all for Valentine's Day. Look at the Smurfs. Oh, how much were those? $1. You're invited to a totally Smurfing party at Kings Island, an amusement park near me. They had the best ride, the Smurf ride. It's gone. There's some more of that. Can that go in a junk journal some way? Anybody got ideas? I don't know. Okay, so, oh boy, here, canna roll. No lid for that one. Okay, now those are cute as well. I'm going too fast, but you know, these things go, like, before you know it. Oh, look at that sticker. Fun. It says amen. Where did that come from? Okay. What about this one? That's a big envelope. And then there's these. I mean, these could be something, right? I'm ordering a tripod. If anybody has advice for just one that is a portable one, so I don't have to do this thing with one hand and have the and like, I feel like I don't want to always go down and do a major setup. Like, I can't open this right now. Yes, I can. I forgot. I got a scissors right here. Right in my hand. Now, if I can cut it open. Where is it in the screen? There you are. I lost you. Here I go. One-handed. Oh, that's so pretty. That's what I picked it up for, but I have no idea what's inside here. Ooh, that's cute. That's pretty. Okay. All right, that was worth getting. What would I pay for that? $1. And the cat. That's funny. Look at the cat. Captain Cat. Okay, but this package is intriguing. Which envelope looks like it'd be the best one? Okay, I might choose this one. I like the flap. So that's probably what I'm gonna use. Well, so while we're in here, there's something else in here. What did I buy? Oh yeah, more that blue. I want to make Americana journals, so here we go. I got red down there and blue. Rocks for the grandkids. Really cool rocks. So I'm going to put those up there so they go in the garage. And also mosaics. I believe mosaics would be really cool. Is that too heavy for an envelope? Put the think on that. And there's some more Americana. Okay. Another bag. Okay, these are just things that, there's a coupon that I had to go thrifting, and it didn't happen because it expired. This was going to go in my glue book, all this stuff. I cleaned my car out. This was in my car. My daughter has chocolates that she's given at her salon. And this was from my tea. Okay. Birthday card. I save them. I don't think that'll go in the... Okay, what's this? This one is another piano roll. This one's really neat. Let me show you, because it's brown. How gorgeous. Come on. Isn't that fun? And that'll just be cut off. The American Idea. And, oh gosh, that looks nasty in there. Let me see. It doesn't smell moldy. I always check things. It's just old. Okay. So what do I have here? I have a bunch of books that, I got these for really inexpensive. Really inexpensive. $1 piece. This is so fun. Yep, I think that's what they charged me. $1 each, yep. So, there's Uncle Wiggily. The paper is good. So, it doesn't tear real brittle like sometimes. This is the last book that I got. Board of Education. This is the, oh, this might be really fun. Sort of like a note in there. I love when things are in books. And they tore this part off though. That was the cool part. Wait, my garage door was gonna go down on me. This is loose. I wonder what this looks like underneath. I have to, look at how they tape this. Too bad it's not Scotch tape, aged Scotch tape, but there's some aged Scotch tape. I love it. Look, look. You know I'm not getting on that envelope right now. My idea. Oh, wow. Oh, and it just popped right off. Look at that. Cool, cool. I gotta take care of that. There's another piece. Oh, I don't see much more, but there's a map. Oh, wow. That's really gonna be fun. So that's that. That's that. Oh gosh, today I found, okay, this is what I wanted to get to. Oh, for all that. Here's some fall things in here. There's some ribbon. I'm not telling you who I'm sending that to, but it is somebody you know. They might get that too. Might be, I just spoiled a surprise. Fun stuff. Brads, who doesn't need brads? But I'm trying to get to, yeah, that's it. All right, this is what I want to use in that envelope. Popper words, Dolce group size word cards. Edward Dolce, PhD. Aren't these amazing? Oh, I love these. Does, hurt, clean, ask, must, wear. I mean, these are not like, you know, the word brave or anything, but I don't know. They're just really neat. Not only the one side is rounded on the corner. New. So that's going to be one I'll use. New. Okay. I'll put these other ones back. And the patina is different on one side, or at least, yeah, one side's darker. That's cool. That's really cool. Okay. What else can I? There's my favorite tag. I really thought, oh, look it. I don't know if these are, I don't think they're hand done, but isn't that cute? I'm going to take the backing off after I wash the, and then wash them first, take them apart. But look at the fabric in here. Just the different pieces of curtain. That's a shirt that I thought I would make a denim and lace journal. Here, this is the day that I tell you what happened at St. Vincent de Paul, my thrift store. I was reaching for this and I slipped and I had to grab the hanger and I spun around. I was talking to a couple ladies. They saw me. I was like, had the cart. I grabbed the cart. There's a lot of that fabric if anybody wants it. And twisted totally in half. And I had just been to the chiropractor. And so here, someone had spilled hand sanitizer, like the gel kind. It was like an oil slick. I went flying and my ankle was getting so much better and I retwisted it. So I started over again. Isn't this cute? This is somebody's skirt, but I had to get it. I'm gonna cut that up for sure. What else is in here? More books. Inexpensive book. It was book. I'm telling you, books. $18.94. Do not read. Last page missing. Well, in my world, even better if last page is missing. It looks kind of fragile. I'll have to wax it maybe. And that book, Baldwin's Readers, is from 1897. Real nice. Really cute. And I didn't flip through yet to see what's stuck inside. Is this boring? I hope not. And I hope I'm not moving all over the place. But of course, you need these kind of books. Yeah, we do. And these kind of books. And I know, you know, this feels like when I do this, I don't want to be going, I found this and I can go thrifting, because I know a lot of you can't even get out much. And so I'm not joking. If you need pages, I can tear out pages. I can, you know, share. Okay, back in the corner. What's in here? Netting. Oh, bunch of netting. And this, I buy the silliest things. I go, can I have this? Yep. But this was all 50 cents each, all these colors. So yes, if you need any, here's the leaf, my rescue leaves. So this is going to be, when you see my Trash to Treasure in the Stay Creative Crafting Circle, when you see my envelope, you know, my Wednesday and my Thursday crafts, you will probably see some of this stuff. So that's the goal. I'm going to try to use these things. Oh, and then I got to carry it downstairs. Well, I'll see you in the next one, and I hope this wasn't too incredibly hard to follow. See you later. Bye.